Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you're looking behind me, that is my Tinkercad Codeblocks Jet Airliner. Friends, I got a tiny update, so let's get cracking. Alright friends, so first thing first, if you've never seen this before, this tiny bit of code makes this awesome jet. When you hit play, you can see it draws first the cylinders and then it cuts out the holes, adds a horizontal and vertical stabilizer in just a few steps. Now mine does not have the horizontal stabilizer cutting through, even though it looks like it should be. Today I had students in class where theirs showed up like mine. I had students where it didn't work. Alright friends, this is crazy simple and it works like a champ. First, take your horizontal stabilizer, the red and the yellow or whatever color you picked, and break them off. Take the create group and put it under the orange piece. And then take this second sphere. This was the hole that hollowed out the first sphere, and put it below your horizontal stabilizer and your vertical stabilizer. So now it goes fuselage, horizontal, vertical, then it cuts out the middle, then it cuts out the windshield, then it finally cuts out the holes for the windows. If we reset and hit play, you'll be able to see it all come together. And this time for sure, when you look inside after it groups, you will not have that tail fin on the inside of your jet. This is also a good time to double check your colors. If you wanted a different style, so say I wanted a gray and I wanted blue in the back, and then I'm going to go back to gray for the stabilizer because I think that looks a little more cool. And I'll even go with this gray. Then once you create your shape, then once you hit play, and you get all your cool colors just the way you want, then you can re-export it, save it as a part, and have it available, and you can use it again and again and again. Remember, I called this one Airliner. You can tag it, describe it, whatever you want, and just hit save so it's available to use in regular Tinkercad. Friends, make sure you're aware of the cards. They will have the rest of the videos so that you can finish your awesome jet airliner. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.